Say you can do whatever you want in your hypothetical brain of yours before the series began. This would be laid out there as a realistic option. Yeah, you go 3-1, you're back up. So with that in mind, there's probably a cap on the level of outrage. Now I think it's all transitioning more into the health and what can or can't be done in round two because of this big time issue with the discomfort level of Joel Embiid. And I'm just not ready to lay out all of my feelings because I don't know. I don't know yet. I can easily see a world where Joel Embiid plays great basketball on Monday. Great basketball, the Sixers win, we're all happy, and then that concern level for the thumb isn't as aggressive. But I know someone's going to have to step up, whether it's Maxey. There's going to be some needed help for sure. It's not going to be perfect. It's not going to be a no-brainer excellent. So instead of 38, maybe it's 32. Well, now you need someone else to help you get that extra 6. So is that the difference in a Tyrese Maxey getting 18 points or 24 points?